This is the 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat SuperCrew with the 6.5 foot long box. It has just over 55,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have your 3.5 liter twin-turbo V6 EcoBoost engine, putting out 375 horsepower and has 470 pound-feet of torque. And this truck is equipped with a leveling kit, and on the interior of the Lariat you have your power mirrors, which are also power folding, power windows, as well as power locks. You also have your 3 memory seat settings for the driver's seat, storage along the middle and bottom of the door. And over here you have your power driver's seat controls with power lumbar support, and your interior seating is a black leather. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. And this truck is push button start, so we'll start it up. You can see there we have 55,527.9 kilometers. Down here on the left hand side you have your dial for your headlights, button for your fog lights and cargo lamp, as well as your dimming buttons for your gauges. And just below that you have your controls for your power adjustable pedals and your buttons for your exterior lamps. On the left hand side of the steering wheel you have your controls for your display by the gauges, as well as your cruise controls. And on the right hand side you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls. And on your touchscreen display here you have your AM FM radio, CD player, USB in, satellite radio, standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as onboard navigation and backup camera with rear parking sensors. Radio controls there, CD player, dual zone climate controls, as well as your heated and vented driver and passenger seating. 2 USB ports there, 4x4 controls, trailer backup controls, and your trailer braking controls. And this is an automatic transmission. And in the center console, lots of storage where you find a power outlet, removable tray, and up on top you have your panoramic roof. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. Along the top here you have your hill descent control, traction control, hazard lights, and auto stop start button. You also have your auto dimming rear view mirror and your controls for your rear power sliding window, as well as a garage door opener. And on the exterior you have your hand-cooked tires on 20-inch aftermarket wheels. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. You have your F-150 and Lariat badges, intelligent access on the front driver and passenger door handles, your EcoBoost badge just down there, and your OEM running boards. You also have your rear privacy glass. FX4 off-road package is included on this truck. Again, your F-150 badge. You can also see your trailer tow package and rear parking sensors. And this truck is equipped with OEM remote start. So first you're just going to want to make sure it is locked, and then you'll hit the button twice on the key fob and it will start right up for you. And then to shut it off you can just hit it once. You also have your power drop down liftgate, so you can hit that button twice. It'll drop down for you. You have your painted box, lots of cargo space, cargo lamp and rear sliding window there. LED box lights on the left and right hand sides, as well as various tie downs. And in the rear interior, you have your power windows. Again, storage along the middle and bottom of the door. Lots of legroom here in the back. You also have storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. Rear cup holders up on top, rear adjustable vents, and various power outlets and USB ports. As you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. In the middle, your fold down console with pop out cup holders. So that is the 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat SuperCrew with the 6.5 foot long box. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.